Turkey's TAI TFX fighter jet takes to the runway for taxiing tests. Turkey has taken a major step forward in its quest for military independence with the successful completion of taxiing tests for its original military aircraft, the National Combat Aircraft TAI TFX, the fighter jet, developed under the Turkish National Combat Aircraft Project by the prime contractor TAI, has begun the next stage of ground trials, following its successful engine firing. During the test, which took place on March 16, the TAI TFX started its own engines and advanced along the track to a certain distance. The test was deemed a success, paving the way for the official rollout of the aircraft from the hangar on March 18. The special footage of the Turkish national fighter jet on the runway shows that the TAI TFX has received its gray paint and is ready to progress to the next stage of testing. The TAI TFX project, aimed at developing Turkey's own fifth-generation combat aircraft with national resources, was launched on August 5, 2016. Turkey initially planned for the aircraft to make its first flight in 2026, but the country has made rapid progress and now aims for the first flight by the end of 2023. The production of 3 prototype MMU Block 0 and 1 MMU Block I is planned to be completed by the end of 2026, with the production activity of the MMU Block I configuration and the delivery of 10 A/C Block I to the Turkish Air Force starting in 2029. The TAI TFX will initially be described as a Generation 4.5 fighter jet, with the aim of reaching 5th generation status in the final stage of development. With the TAI TFX, Turkey is carving out a new chapter in its modern military history and establishing itself as a major player in the global defense industry. As one of the few countries to develop its own fighter jet, Turkey is showcasing its technological capabilities and positioning itself as a leader in the region.